Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about statements in Python programming. Let's get started. So what is statements in Python? Any Python code which executed by the Python interpreter. There are two types of statements, single line or multiple lines. So single line statement is just simple, x is equal to 5. This is a single line statement. So everyone aware of it. The multiple line, that is different in Python little bit. Multiple line statement is, we can say, if y is equal to 20 plus slash, so this slash will break the line. So that is how you can make multiple line statement. Sometimes what happens, your code is very lengthy, you can break it like this, it will work. Interpreter will consider it a single line, but for your purpose, your your code is very lengthy, so you can break it like this and use it. So we call it single line statement. And if you use brackets, square bracket, or parenthesis, so any kind of bracket you use, you can use multiple line. This is also a multiple line statement. For example, comma I'm using and it will work, it will not give you any error. If I use 1 plus 2 plus, it will work. I'm using brackets. So there are two types of multiple line statement. One is you can use slash, and second you can use any kind of bracket. All three type of brackets you can use here and it will work. So parenthesis, brackets, square brackets, braces, all will work. So this is very important question, many times asked by the interviewers, so don't forget about it. So thank you so much watching this video. If you need help, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.